Welcome to Nari Sakhi, and today let's make chilies, green chilies and with spices, spicy green chilies. So for this I've taken green chilies, clean them very nicely, dry them under the fan on the paper napkin and cut them vertically. So drying is very important. Take some oil and to this add green chilies. Saute for about 2 minutes. On a low flame, we are going to do this whole recipe on a low flame. Saute on a low flame, add some salt, and now we are going to add all the spices. Coriander powder, add coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, and for this spiciness we are going to add red chili powder as per your taste and how spicy it is. A little bit of turmeric powder and some garam masala, and dry mango powder, amchur powder will give a nice tangy flavor, and asafoetida, and saute for 2 minutes and make sure the flame is on low because otherwise all the spices will get burnt. We are going to saute for 2 minutes on a low flame so all the spices are well roasted, and cover and steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this will allow all the spices to be absorbed by the green chilies. You can check in between, add oil if needed, but here I don't need oil. So once you steam them for about 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to saute. So this takes about 5 to 6 minutes, but you have to look at the timing and look at the if you need oil, or you have to check in between. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now they are almost done. You can serve this with rice and curry as a side dish. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe to Nari Sakhi for more videos. Thank you for watching.